Just got done building me a cut-off crosscut sled, and I just got done using the 5-cut method to determine whether or not my fence is square to the blade. And look at this wood here on the back. That was originally a 2x4 of solid oak. It's just amazing. I cut it down a little bit, rounded off the edges a little bit to make it nice and ergonomic. I use the 5-cut method, so you make a cut here, make a cut there, make a cut there, make a cut there, and when you get back to this original side, on this particular board I went over 56 inches. That multiplies your errors. So you take all that, and then you take the last cut off here, and you measure one end, which is, you can see that 0.38. That's 38/100ths of an inch. And then you take the other end and measure it, and it's 0.36. That is 2/100ths of an inch over 56 inches. Or you divide 0.3 by 5. And that'll tell you what your error is going to be on a particular board that you might be running through with just one side. 0.3 divided by 5, 0.03 divided by 5 is a pretty small number. What's even freakier is that I used my big T-square here that I got from Harbor Freight, piece of crap, and I put that down here, lined it up with the crack made from the blade. Look at this. Off. I don't know if you can see that. It's off. It's not too bad, but it was off before. I might have run this crack open a little bit with my blade here. Anyways, don't always take it that the squares are square. That's a lesson for today. Thanks for watching. I'm going to put a coat of linseed oil on this bad boy and a coat of wax on the bottom, and that's going to be awesome.